The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, one owner, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.